welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iSTYLEMYSTYLE, and today I wanted to show you my Restoration Hardware inspired Christmas tree. So you guys know I have been loving Restoration Hardware, and I wanted to create a little tree that, in my humble opinion, embodies the Restoration Hardware aesthetic. So Restoration Hardware is modern, but also old world and traditional in style. So I wanted to try to bring all three of those elements together to create my own Restoration Hardware inspired Christmas tree. So let's start at the top. I did not use a traditional tree topper. I have actually created my tree topper out of some green velvet poinsettias, and I love them. I love the detail and the texture it gives to the tree. I also added this little sign that says Merry Christmas. I feel like it brings that traditional old world vibe to the tree. I also wanted to keep it modern, and I added these frosted. Since the tree is flocked, I wanted it to also go along with my crystal and ice theme that I have going on in the living room. So I think this fits perfectly. RH also decorates with these crystal ornaments. I picked these up from Crate and Barrel last year when they were on clearance, and I absolutely love them. I've paired them with these little gold crowns. I think it just gives the tree a majestic, regal feeling, which gives me the RH looks. I also added these really pretty green ball ornaments. You guys know that I use green as my accent color, and I thought they would go perfectly. I also added these Mercury glass ornaments. Just look how pretty they are. I absolutely love them. Again, it fits with the old world style. And another crown over here. And because the tree is mostly white and green, I decided to throw in some pops of black. So I've added some black ornaments along with a darker teal colored ornament. And they also decorate, from what I've seen in previous RH Christmas catalogs, which they didn't do one this year. So I had to hunt on Pinterest for inspiration, and I saw this tree, and I'll put up a photo here, and that is what inspired me. And as you'll see, they have these leaves that are sticking out of the tree. So I showed you these ferns earlier in the year, and I have just cut them apart and stuck them in the tree as little picks, again to give me that Restoration Hardware feel. And they go all throughout the tree, and I absolutely love the effect. So I love how my little Restoration Hardware inspired tree turned out. I hope you like it. If so, please give the video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think of my RH inspired Christmas tree. I also finished off the bottom by including some presents that I have just wrapped in black paper and twine with a little bit of greens. So I absolutely love this look. So if you are new here, welcome. My name is Cheryl. I love all things home decor. I love decorating my home with style on a budget while trying to make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if that is something you are into as well, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and become a member of the iSTYLEMYSTYLE family. I will be having my home tour coming up. It should be up the 1st of December. So I think you will really enjoy it. I did go out decorating for Christmas this year, and as the living room looks like a winter wonderland, and my lounge area is more of an RH vibe. So I hope you come back to visit me and become a member of the family.